to live each day and smile at the joy that I hold in my hand. This time when I go, will I take her with me? I'm sitting here, should I leave it all again?
So we're gonna try to bring the truck all the way around, because that one is the warmest one, but the road's kind of sketchy.
Yeah. There's like a lot of people, at least 15
Yeah,
in that pool.
I was hoping there wasn't that many people.
Because it's New Year's Eve.
Yeah,
But,
guess everybody had the same idea.
well, let's go try it then.
Yeah,
Let's move the car closer so that I don't have to walk so far.
because my honey doesn't want to walk in the cold.
It's cold.
And it being wet and cold is not a good combo.
In a teeny weeny bikini,
Woo!
it's cold.
She wanted to bring her teeny weeny bikini. All right, we made it to the Meadow Hot Springs up in Utah. Check this place out. It's like in the middle of nowhere. You have these hot springs, and my honey's over there. So, honey? Hey.
All to ourselves on
Wah! We so wanted to do this on New Year's Eve because we knew there was not going to be anybody here.
But there was.
But now we got it all to ourselves, which is the best. This is the best way to do it. Right where you're at is like a ledge, but as soon as you step off, it just goes down into the abyss. Down into the abyss.
It's like I'm waiting, like I'm watching you fall love. Dreams where I'm fading.
There was one that was cold, or colder. That was really one that was really, really hot. And this was like the middle of the road. But the other one was way too crowded. This other one was way too cold, and this one was just right. You ready to hold that one? You ready to hold that one?
Graced in the life that I get to live each day and smile at the joy that I hold in my hand. This time when I go, will I take her with me? I'm sitting here, should I leave it all again? Oh, will I take her with me? Oh, will I begin again?
We are at the Last Hurrah in South Lake City, and it's the biggest party of New Year's Eve in the whole state. And they have this countdown where the fireworks go off over here. They got a stage with DJs and bands, music. It seems like it's a happening spot.
Oh, sing it, Salt Lake City.
Woo! Salt Lake City!
Oh, you sound so good tonight.
Yeah.
This is the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh yeah. This is the rhythm of the night. Oh yeah.
went out of control. It was like a good 10 minutes.
I know.
Just kept going and going.
So pretty.
Wow, what a night. That was a lot of fun.
It was like a nice cap off to the whole entire day of us going to the Meadows Hot Springs, lounging there, and then coming back, getting ready for this fun party.
Yeah, so the Last Hurrah is pretty much in this main square that they have, and it's a lot of fun. People are just ready to party, and Salt Lake City sure knows how to throw a good party. The fireworks show is amazing. If you guys ever get a chance to come down here and check this place out, people here are actually a lot of fun, and I didn't think Utah was going to be the way it was.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be more strict and you couldn't, have fun.
Closed by 7.
But yeah. So if you're gonna pick something up, make sure you pick it up by 7. But no, it was a blast. Must have been at least 20,000 people here. So happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year, 2026.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.